Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python February 7th, 10 is an older version of Python, and I recommend using a more recent version, such as Python 3.x, as Python 2.7 has reached its end of life and is no longer supported. However, I can provide you with a tutorial on using conditional statements in Python, specifically the if statement, which is common to both Python 2.x and 3.x. Conditional statements are an essential part of any programming language, including Python. They allow your code to make decisions based on conditions and execute different blocks of code accordingly. In Python, the if statement is used to create conditional statements. Here's a basic syntax for the if statement. Let's create a simple Python program that uses the if statement to check if a number is even or odd. In this example, you can save this code in a.py file and execute it using a Python interpreter. For Python February 7th, 10, use the command. Replace filename.py with the actual name of your Python script. That's a simple example of using the if statement in Python February 7th, 10. Keep in mind that Python February 7th, 10 is no longer supported, so it's recommended to upgrade to a more recent Python version like Python 3.x for better features and security updates. ChatGPT. Certainly. Python February 7th, 10 is a bit old, but let's dive into an informative tutorial on using the if statement in Python. The if statement is a fundamental control flow structure in Python, allowing you to execute certain code blocks conditionally. In this tutorial, we'll explore the syntax and usage of the if statement in Python February 7th, 10. The basic syntax of the if statement is as follows. The condition is an expression that evaluates to either true or false. If the condition is true, the indented code block beneath it will be executed. Otherwise, it will be skipped. Let's consider a simple example. Suppose we want to check if a given number is even or odd. In this example, we use the modulus operator, %, to check if the remainder of number divided by 2 is 0. If it is, the number is even, otherwise, it's odd. You can also nest if statements to handle more complex conditions. Here's an example that checks both divisibility by 2 and 3. The if statement is a powerful tool for controlling the flow of your Python programs based on conditions. Whether you're building simple scripts or complex applications, understanding how to use if statements is essential. Remember, Python February 7th, 10 is an older version, and it's highly recommended to upgrade to Python 3 for access to the latest features and security updates. However, the concepts discussed in this tutorial remain applicable to newer Python versions. ChatGPT.